Hey everybody on the Pro Forum. Alright, so basically what I kind of want to talk about is I know everybody has seen it on the news about the whole drone thing, that you now have to register. They're requiring people to register. Just for what it's worth, in case you're wondering if this is good news or bad news, in my humble opinion, it's fantastic news. I think it's great that they want everybody to register. Now, what'll happen is the idiots who are out there, you know, almost crashing into airplanes, and the idiots who are out there flying over the White House will now be responsible. They'll think twice about putting their drone in a place where it could be, you know, intercepted, and then it would point to the fact that they own the drone. Now, of course, isn't that the same thing that happens with guns? Don't guns have to be registered? And doesn't it happen on a regular basis that someone just files off the serial number? And so now you have unregistered guns. So I guess it's gonna, you know, if somebody wants to be illegal, let's say somebody wants to use a drone to transport drugs over some sort of international line, like in Mexico or something like that. Well, do you think they're gonna use a registered drone? No. They're gonna steal a drone. Then they're gonna file off the serial number, or they're gonna, you know, rewrite the internal codes. So it's good news in that for the legitimate people out there, it's going to make it maybe one step closer for everybody to be able to enjoy this great thing. But on the flip side, it's gonna make it, like, you know, for the illegal people out there, yet another place where people can be illegal and do illegal stuff. So I don't know. From my standpoint, I would like to see the FAA come up with some sort of test. You know, charge for this test and force commercial pilots, somebody who wants to fly commercially, to put a what I believe they call it an N number on there, right on the side of the drone, that you would have to display it the same way you display the number on an actual airplane, like a Cessna or something like that. So I think it's all moving in that direction, and I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see how it all happens. So anyway, talk to y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all for being on the Pro Forum.